leaving the hotel room for breakfast. So, outdoor dining siya. Alfresco dining ng aming ano, dun yung room namin, you know, yung nakabukas yung nakabukas yung curtain, and yun yung lobby sa loob. Ito yung outdoor dining. Ang cute kasi, akala namin pool, hindi pala siya pool. Tapos, good morning! Ayan, aming tour guide. Ay, nakita. Ang aming tour guide. Yung doon. Hindi siya pool. Akala namin pool. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, parang ano lang siya. Parang 1 foot lang siguro yung lalim niya. Tapos, higa-higa ka lang.
Dito ka na lang.
Kailangan lang siyang ganong kaanong view. Kasi nasa city. Tapos yung para lang siyang Maynila talaga. Tapos puro hotel yung mga katabi namin. Good morning, sir! Soy milk. Ay, ang sarap nito. Chili fish sauce. Ay, bet ko yung pad thai nila. This one is stir-fried chicken Cantonese. Oh, bet ko rin. Okay. Oh, can I have omelette, please? Can I have ham? Oh, what's in the Thai omelette? Everything? I mean the Thai omelette. What's in it? What's the ingredient for the Thai omelette? Thai omelette. Do you put everything on the Thai omelette? Oh.
You do chai, you can put the chai. You can put the omelette.
Oh, okay.
You need some vegetable.
I just don't want chili for morning.
Don't want chili?
I don't want chili for morning.
You need onion.
Okay. Not spicy. Okay. Thank you. Fried tomatoes. Big bits.
Now, then after on the left, you can see the one yesterday we just had the third again. Because my King Rama the third, last time before he become to the throne, he ordination like ceremony like a monk. Now stay like Sifu, stay like how to say supreme, nah? The master monk. Now stay longer, and then after he passed away, my father passed away, he become to the Metan, the palace here. So this one, when you're going up, the step is not too high, 81 step. Yesterday 3 different. We have about 2 restaurants is the best one. Underby, Scala, and Namsing. This is left. To left, we got one of Michelin style. Michelin. Underby, Pad Thai. Now blend be under of the Tip Samai. Tip Samai Pad Thai on your left hand side is here. This is the democracy. Now last time is we have a problem like mock yellow and red also is come here. Nah? Then decoration the same way. Yesterday I bring you going to for brick grinding.
Aakyatin daw namin yan sa taas. 340 steps. Sabi, binibigyan lang kami ng tour guide na makaakyat doon 340 steps at makababa 340 steps for 45 minutes only. So parang sabi ko, parang 20 steps lang yung kaya ko dun sa 45 minutes niya. Na high blood nyo si Joy. Parang ano siya, parang yung lock yung lock something ng Korea sa kanila, sa kanila ganito.
You see, everyone after the photo on the red carpet.
Don't worry, Joy, we will not reach the top.
Okay? And for everyone also follow you. I will send you information anyone wants to know.
Ay, libre ligo dito. Babasa kami. Yan. So, 344 steps. Okay naman pala yung step niya. Kasi mababa lang. So, naglalakad sila para sila nagpe-pray. Naglalakad pala sila dito para silang nagpe-pray. Parang yung sa sa kamay ni Jesus. Ay, sorry po. Oh, coffee pala. Don't take off your shoes kasi nawawala to yung shoes.
See my face again, like standing here. Walk one round, see my face, the way to go up. No haircut, sister, sorry for. Okay. Can take picture. Can take photo. Don't step to the red carpet. Don't step on the red carpet.
Pray sila, pero hindi naman ako Buddhist. Medyo scary. Pag pupunta ka daw dun sa mat na yan, kailangan take off your shoes. Kasi parang ang belief nila is parang tinapakan mo daw sa ulo yung nanay mo pag tinapakan mo yung mat na yan.
Because when you are finished or taking photo picture on rooftop, the way to walk down from the rooftop and then get to the exit. This way, can everyone, sister, brother, Maganda, Dito. Don't step to the red carpet, no step.
Ông này cái này, เดินไปเรียนตรงไหนก็ได้
mamaya ka.
Yun yung mga alay nila. Dito ka bibili ng alay. Tapos, yun siguro yung sinusuot ng kanilang mga Buddhist. Parang alay mo. I mean, buong city.
Dati na mata.
Ayun yung kanilang love lock. And sinasabit niya is yung love lock. Dahil flooded yung area na pupuntahan namin, kailangan namin mag-ganyan. Provided naman nila. Diba? Nagpicture muna kami. Baha doon, kaya nakaganto kami. Hanggang siya, hanggang lubog yung paa.
Nakakahilo kasi pagbabalik.
Oo nga eh. Hindi na kami pupunta dyan kasi grabe ang haba ng lakad at ang tataas. Dito sila gumagawa ng mga tunay na mga bato. Oh, yun o, may ruby doon. Yan, ruby yung ginagawa ni Kuya. Wow. Talagang by hand, no? Kaya mahal. Oh. Okay, may bidding na ba tayo? ISO certified. Oh. Ang lamig. My goodness.
I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.